No.
An era.
No. Charlie. Shano, I make very serious way they talk this matter.
I know.
Charlie, Bukom Bangun fans, Team Bukom, we they demand a rematch. The match will happen there. We know they understand. Man Ascona. We know they understand. Mashano.
No, we know the band.
No. No, we know they understand.
Before them will give Aite Powers the chance to fight.
Aite Powers they go fight too.
Aite say he won't fight the winner. People for make ready for state burial.
Aite Powers they go fight too. The winner. They say they're not wearing mother color and say Aite. Cafe buri ya jabe. Bana cafe buri aje. This matter, Timbuko we know they understand.
No, we don't understand.
Why say that the fight boxing way referee go feel allow make the opponent use wawa board hit one person. Boxing, why WWE? Wawa they decided thing.
Hey.
Because you not say the blow will make it fall
The
down.
last one, something.
Not they say the guy they come the ring inside, it the whole spanner and things. It there inside in growth.
Then they come to hear the foul that so it is a another way they take
Kwasia. No. Now when they go, but they for search people.
Yeah,
they for search them.
some of the punches, you know.
No. Human being no go fit that punch. Will make when a player, when a boxer go down. But you know that thing they walk. Yesterday you see the video. That time where Bukom for then some woman came back with they push up. On I am home. That's what they did back with. They push up. You see, Ghana. If you
before we go, I use the Powers rematch here. we forget one our rematch first.
This this matter. We don't understand. Bukom Bangun supporters. Rematch for come.
Oh, rematch here. They forgive me.
We never go understand.
But the man is still the hospital. We no recover yet. We cry for rematch.
See, Machano. The thing can make the team be see. You see, yesterday, the time they give a player like 8 blows. They give them like 8 blows. Continuous. Then referee stop the match. Referee stop the fight. As referee stop the fight, where they go dress wanna boxer in face. So they finish with they clean the blood and things.
Some big video here. They call them connecting eye. Connecting eye to
you know say
they patch out like a road ride.
You know say the way then Buko make weak the time the referee they call him as he go the second time where he go take another blow.
Yeah.
He go take the second blow. Baby the blow drop him.
Yeah.
Where he go take another blow. No, they give him like 8 continuous.
Yeah.
So that one they know
that be the place where you drop in glow second.
That time then Bukom no say it dey Accra or they fight for Las Vegas. We don't know where the fight happened for. But you know that it happened. After all that, we Bukum say go fight again. So you go away, the guy give him the wawa board, where you fall down. As he get up, I swear, if a hurricane, Akuchika pass by, like Buko go turn unidentified flying objects. Because they roam inside there. The time Bukom they go back and Machano. Then they find leg.
No, the fist stand. The referee call us to make it come. He stagger, he won't move like he moves. Maybe 2 steps back, go back, and everything. And for him, this one before I commit murder.
No, but the truth.
First degree manslaughter.
Machano, but the truth is saying, Bukom make Ghana boxing interesting.
Oh yeah.
That one there, you see.
I be legend.
Yeah.
African Mayweather. The only defeated Mayweather, but
yeah.
With African.
But without Bukom, Ghana boxing will be interesting. So Bukom, after this fight, go feel retire.
Therefore, name one stand set for the Bukom Arena there.
Banku stand.
Yeah, Banku stand.
But go feel retire. We no go allow him make it retire.
Unless in the Basti fight again.
No, you go fight the Basti. Like he go fight. He go to fight, but
this guy Lordina Dubia BC or something like they say. Samer, or say Baster, Samini, and see,
Bukom no go feel retire. But
not yet.
Because if he leave boxing, Ghana boxing no go be interested. That nobody be true.
This one, the only way they say, if we take the anger, go to 80 powers and top them, beat
So according to what they talk, Bukom and Aite for fight again.
Then for fight again.
Then the winner go meet who?
That one, they be them not go decide. The way Aite powers say he won't fight. Baster riders.
If Aite power talk, yeah.
He said he make ready for the winner.
After you see the fight before he talk or before the fight?
No, before the fight.
Now you see. Now
so after, riders before fight.
I know when he still go fight or not. He talk out before the fight.
But whichever way, Aite powers for beat Bukom Banku for beat Aite powers.
Don Jomo, we don't go feel leave him alone. We go fight again.
No, but for this one, to compensate himself, Aite Bukom Banku for beat Aite powers for no reason. We for just organized match give them. Make Bukom Banku vent all his anger on
Aite. So if he go away, unfortunately, Aite to beat him now.
No, that one no be happy. Aite.
No, we can't level there. I go beat him.
Hey.
You see? When I go bite him.
That one no dey inside. They go disqualify you.
The Tyson bite somebody.
That one they disqualify.
See, Machano, make I show you that thing.
Now those squad they go get clear chance in no score.
Bukom get clear chance. Give blow. See, make I tell you something. See, Ghana. When people mean you, they inside their head. They don't go talk.
They go wait for you, Boko.
They inside their head.
That boy Patapa say la française mission. Français Coco.
When Ghanaians mean you, it is inside their head. If you like, you be who?
Your time
will come. And these days, the issues they come week by week.
Yeah.
One will go, one will come.
Yeah.
So this Bastir or Amir or what be your name?
Somebody say Bastir Samini.
Samir will be your name. Samir.
Yeah, Bastir. But no.
If you like, make the beat him tomorrow. You go see the things go happen.
The question be who
will beat him. That be the issue.
Then if I go call Lincoln,
yeah, James. Let's go call Lincoln, give Samir. That one's up. That one's up. No inside ring. See, you know they here way. This guy say they go fight with Mayweather. This guy where they fight,
Conor McGregor.
He said they go fight with Mayweather. You see the way they beat him. Boxing with different thing.
Oh, but as it stands, only Lincoln go fit beat Bastir riders.
Massa, and no young folk be and shame what you more. They say yeah, they didn't hold neck. It takes a boxing that they hold neck, like the way they hold James' neck. But see, I say, hey, if yesterday we are see say Bukom get haters.
Charlie.
Hey, Ghana.
So not knowing 70% of the fans be bastard. My fans.
So, they just want me to beat Bukom. May they make free.
The woman say, yeah, now she go feel.
The woman push him. Yeah.
No.
The way I said, the way Bukom fall down, eh? The way people jubilate, eh? They like Ghana win World Cup.
They enter this the ropes, with the like you won't commode go the ring and the announcers them and the way the one we did the middle hold the neck back throw and back into the ring.
But say yesterday, if some place they Bukom go pass around. Referee no sound no the boo.
As the referee talk and say no and the person say God bless.
Charo ya kwasia.
If you like read the lips.
But the referee say no, after the referee do like this, The referee do like this,
My job. You know, on the normal day, Bukom no, why you
end up? I go fight. But this one,
it just mom will say, my job. It's just like he go place where he do like revelation. The way God the few open pastors them
I say, yesterday Bukom know the few work. Hey, a channel fine wobo. Hey, Bankuba.
Banku flesh.
No, but this one no go be this. We go for rematch.
He say if I am not beating Basti, don't allow me walking the Accra.
Then we go take and go Lesotho. If we go exile.
He say make them no green make he walk for Accra again if you know.
But I know sure say Bukom Sheda because he want rematch.
Yeah, that one to do. Abi all be money. He go take that one, go take this one too.
So if he call for rematch, will the sound beat him again?
No, they're not going to beat him.
We go for changing color again. We go beat him.
The reason why he lose, we say he go lose weight. Like if you maintain the weight.
No, but boxing, you know, go fit take baby weight. They take, but how the weight then you get, then you be overweight. So how you go fit fight?
Then be overweight.
So if you reduce weight. But I sure say, you see, white people when they do that thing, they know they take Afosidro. Because just go take Afosidro where you reduce weight. You just go take negative.
No.
He reduce weight, he can't fight.
But the thing, Ghanaians for realize say, if you know be, say we know force her. Like by now, Bukom be ambassador to Germany. Like Bukom Banku be ambassador to Germany. As the thing no go happen like that. So if we focus on the boxing.
But the Bastille guys they for arrest them.
Oh yeah.
You know go fit beat Ghana ambassador to Germany.
No. Almost. Almost.